Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Excuse me, are you looking for something?
Hello?
This kid claims
Yeah,
he's
can
looking
I
for
help you?
Wi-Fi.
Are you home?
What do you need?
I was gonna ask if I could use your Wi-Fi.
Who are you?
Huh?
I said, who are you?
A little
Never
bit
mind.
after this, he goes into her backyard. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Is this an innocent thing?
I got the wrong house, sir.
He has gloves on and his trunk is open.
I'm sorry. Look at him. My baby. She said she broke down. She said she broke down. No, not my old lady. My old lady. I got the wrong house. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are currently being recorded.
Too bad the owner wasn't there to stop him. He comes on the ring.
Hey, man. Hey, put that back. I see you. And you're on camera, bruh.
This guy is either on drugs or really bad mental health issues.
What's up? What's up, Trey?
The owner claims to not know him.
Trey.
Please keep those doors locked. Check all doors before you get in the house. They're after your personal information and valuables. This lady seems to be upset. That's a sword she's attacking the camera with.
I knew it.
Seems like the sword fell out. This lady is dangerous.
Right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Make sure you keep your doors locked. These kids are checking random doors. They actually get into one.
Fuck!
Damn it.
You need something, my guy?
Another strange visitor. He just marches in place. She thought this was a package.
What's up, Trey? Trey, we, that man better not be alive. But his name, Javon, he better not be alive. Cooking like that. That man.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. This is a problem. When I used to do security at an apartment building, all the drivers would leave all the packages at the lobby because they had no access to the upstairs. The holiday season is approaching. If you're worried about porch pirates, consider other delivery options. Or you could just visit the stores. Please be safe out there. I'll see you in the next video.